Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Jordan Play slides. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Jordan Play slides, and this pair is in men's UK size 8, US 9, Euro 42.5, 27 cm, and it's in the Sesame Sail colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside, and let's peel back the wrapping paper or tissue paper to reveal the Nike Jordan Play slides in the Sesame Sail colourway. Let's lift out the left slide first and just setting the box to the side and giving you a look at the slide or slider. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look at the slide. And given that this one is actually the right side, let's set the right side down and bring the box back in frame so that we can take a look at the left slide first instead. So there we go, taking a look at the left slide now, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look of this left slide of the Nike Jordan Play slide. And now taking a much closer in look at the details of this foam slider or slide. So it does have a synthetic leather foot strap, and you can see the overall Sesame colorway. The only sail details being what appears to be the Jumpman logo and that contrast stitching in, of course, sail on Sesame. So taking some close-up looks at the details of the slide, we can see it does have quite an aggressive traction pattern on the outsole, being a herringbone style traction pattern. And of course, as we move towards the back, we can see, of course, on the foot strap, multiple lines of stitching, and we can see JRDN/23.E towards the back or heel area of the slide or footbed of the slide. And as we take a look towards the back or heel of the slide and looking straight down, we can see the contour of the footbed and of course the composition sticker or materials label, and we can see the Jumpman logo or Jordan logo molded in the heel of the footbed as well. And as we take a look towards the inner side of the slide, so once again we see that overall Sesame colorway as well as the herringbone traction pattern on the outsole of the footbed. And of course that contrast stitching in sail on that sesame colored foot strap in synthetic leather. And moving back towards the front again and taking a look directly down and into the footbed of the slide or slider. Now taking a look from the front to the back or tip of the slider and slowly moving towards the back, so you can see all the details right through the length of this Nike Jordan Play slide. And once again taking a look now at the back of the footbed, top down, lengthwise, we can see some details or text along the midfoot area of the footbed. And we can see the horizontal texturing on the footbed as well. You can see those very fine lines going across the foam footbed of this Nike Jordan Play slide. So let's see if we can take a look at the details or text on that midfoot area of the footbed, and of course the lining as well. And we can see that Jumpman logo impression on the inside lining of the foot strap. And to give you some idea of the material as well, or lining, we can see the textile or micro suede appearance of the lining. And of course let's try and take a look at the inside label if we can. So slightly tricky of course given its position, but nonetheless let's do our best here without disturbing the camcorder setup as well. So right there giving you a look at the details and lining of the foot strap of the slide. So you can see those dimples showing on the inside of the foot strap as well. So of course the edges as well, giving you a look at the edge of that foot strap, front and back. And to give you some idea, right there, pushing down on that bouncy foot strap. And of course to give you some idea of the foam footbed as well, just pressing down on the various parts with my thumb and index finger and squeezing the edge as well, so you can see just how that foam responds. So quite dense but light in weight. And the front as well, just squeezing through various parts. And of course once again giving you a look at that structured synthetic leather foot strap as well. Now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the slide, so you can see the herringbone pattern as well as some geometric dimpled traction pattern around the forefoot area, as well as the heel of the slider. So right there giving you a look at the traction pattern and overall details of the sole of the slider, and just tapping on the various parts as well with my fingernail. And dragging my finger across the sole. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some idea of the responsiveness of this Nike Jordan Play slide. And just puffing it back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right slide and just setting the left slide down and in the background. Let's do a 360 rotation once again. I know we did so at the start, but there we go. And let's take a look at the hang tag. So right there, the Jordan Play slide. And taking a look at the back of the hang tag as well, and giving you a much closer in look at the details right there. And of course, taking a close-up look at the details. So once again, we see that overall Sesame color as well as sail details as well. The sail stitching right there, and of course the Jumpman and sail as well, and of course the exposed edges front and back appear to be of sail color as well. And now we can see the details on the footbed more clearly without the materials sticker or composition sticker or label on this side of the slider. So right there, giving you a look at the text molded into the midfoot area of the footbed. And of course the inner label as well, right there on the inside of that foot strap. Okay, and taking a look at the bottom as well, so giving you a look at the sole of the slider. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. So just going to tuck that hang tag inside of the foot strap. And taking a look from the front to the back. And directly from the back. And of course, the bottoms or soles of the slides. So that's Nike Jordan Play slides. Thanks for watching and happy walking!